When writing posts on WordPress, you usually have that option to publish immediately or to save it as a draft first and then go back to it later and publish it. But there's one more option wherein you can schedule the post to be published at a specific time and date. So here's how you do it. So let's go to the post that we're going to work on. Click on Edit. Now you see on the publish portion right here where it says publish immediately, it has the option that says edit. Click on edit. You'll have the option now to choose a date and time for the post to be published. So let's say we want it to be published tomorrow. So let's change the date. Instead of today, let's make it tomorrow at midnight. So that will be like a few hours from now. Okay, when you click on OK, you'll see now that the part that says publish immediately earlier has now been changed to schedule for the 5th or schedule for May 8, 2015 at 12 midnight or 00. So once you have that, click on schedule so that you'll be saving those changes and then the post will be published later at midnight. What if you change your mind and then suddenly you want to publish it now? So what you do is click on edit again, change the date and time to today, and of course time, change it to right now. Please take note that the time that you enter on this section is in military time. So instead of typing in 4, you don't have the option to type in 4 p.m. So instead of 4 p.m., type in 16. So if you want to publish it now, you just put the time for now, update, and there you go. It has been published. Click on View Posts. You'll see what your post looks like on the front end of your blog site or website. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.